If you've started a new business or plan to, you know that organization can be hard, but it's crucial. Luckily, there are a ton of free tools out there, but having so many to choose from can be stressful and overwhelming. That's why we've compiled a list of 3 free apps that we think every business needs. If you're looking for a clean and streamlined way to manage all of your projects, Asana is going to be your new best friend. With Asana, you have the ability to share projects and tasks across your entire team. When you create a task in Asana, you can give it an assignee, establish a due date, write a description for that task, and even create an entire list of subtasks within it. It's also incredibly easy to stay organized and on track with all of your projects. Every member of your team has access to a board of tasks assigned specifically to them and a calendar showing exactly when those tasks are due. However, we should mention that if your company consists of 6 or more employees, you're gonna have to pay for Asana. Keeping track of your finances and invoicing properly is important for every small business because, let's face it, it's how you get paid. It's also incredibly important when it comes to tax time. Having the ability to create a quick profit and loss statement is a must, and it makes tax time less stressful. That's why an app like Wave is a great resource for your business. Wave makes it incredibly easy to create estimates and invoices for your customers. All of your invoice information is saved across your account and can be accessed anywhere with their free mobile app. It also helps you track expenses, take payments online, and generate quick reports. It's been a while since I've used Wave, but when I used it, I loved it. At 320 Studio, we use an invoicing and CRM software called Dubsado. We love it, and if you're interested, we've got additional videos about Dubsado in the description below. And if you want to give Dubsado a try, you can get 20% off your first month or year by using the link in the description. With any new business, organizing money is a necessity to keeping things running smoothly. That's why we recommend using Novo, specifically for your new business. One of my favorite features about Novo is their reserves. A reserve allows you to set aside money for certain things. You can also set aside a percentage of each deposit to automatically go into your reserves. This is helpful for setting aside money for things like taxes, payroll, owner compensation, or profits. Novo is a fully online banking service, but they partner with a bank that is FDIC insured, so all your money is safe. With Novo, you have the ability to make mobile deposits, but we recommend having a local brick and mortar bank to go to just in case. As a thanks for sticking around up until the end, we have one last bonus app for you. If you're looking to hire or already have a team of employees for your business, having a place to keep track of your team's hours is crucial. Homebase allows your employees to submit and change when they're available to work, clock in and out, and request time off. As a boss or manager, you can create team schedules and keep track of their times. When it's payday, Homebase will let you know exactly how much each employee has earned in that pay period. And if you decide to switch to Homebase's payroll service, running payroll is a breeze. Literally, with just a few clicks, you can run payroll and submit it for direct deposit. They'll also take care of paying employee taxes for you. While these apps might not run your business altogether, they successfully tackle 3 huge necessities without tacking on countless fees to your budget. If you'd like to give them a try, we've linked them all in the description down below. And if you've had any experience with these apps, let us know what you think in the comments. We'd also love to hear what apps you're using to help you run your business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.